Of the president, a trade move by President Trump led to a tough day on Wall Street today. All the major indices dropped, the Dow falling more than 700 points. Investors are concerned about the president's plan in place to put tariffs on about $60 billion with a B dollars worth of Chinese imports. And joining us right now is financial advisor Chuck Zotter from the Armstrong Advisory Group. And Chuck, first off, let's start with the threats of the trade war with China. The possibility affects way more than just the markets, right? Could it hit the consumers in the wallet?
It couldn't. In fact, you did have officials from the administration even coming out and saying that this could be something that adds about 1% to the cost of goods that use aluminum and steel. And so what that means is that if you're talking about cars, it could add about $300 to the price of a vehicle. It's about $7 billion a year that Americans would be spending that previously they could have saved.
Yeah, the Fed raised interest rates this week. Earlier in the week, there's speculation they might do it a couple of more times. Is that having an impact on it as well?
It is, I think, and really the impact there is simply the fact that if borrowing becomes more expensive, things such as the housing market could be impacted, and that is a major driver of economic activity for us. So what this does here potentially adds less building and slows down a little bit of that borrowing, which really is the driver of the economy at this point.
You know, there was a point when you get shocked by a 700-point swing. You're still shocked by a 700-point swing?
You know, at this point, nothing shocks me too much. The important thing to remember, I know that the point number is a big one. It is a 3% dip, so this is equivalent to 300 points back when the Dow was at 10,000. So I know that 700-point number sounds like it's a huge number, and it's not small, but it's not something that anyone should panic about.
To that point, then, what should the person at home do? What should they be looking for?
If you're in here for the long run, if you're investing for retirement, you don't make any changes based on this move, just like you didn't make any changes the day before when the market was 700 points higher. If you're talking about needing money in the next 1 to 3 years, that money shouldn't be in the stock market to begin with. You need to have that off to the side, in cash, and in a safe place.
Chuck Zotter, the Armstrong Advisory Group, thank you so much for joining us this evening.
Thank you.